one day I was walking around Central Park, Columbus Circle, south end of Central Park. I saw a ventriloquist street performer, and that really changed my life because I was very inspired. I had an epiphanal moment. I felt like this is what I have to do. It was really that lightning bolt feeling that this is the most amazing thing in the world. I was just so inspired that I've got to do that, to create the illusion that my voice comes from a different place, and to bring a puppet to life, to make it look and sound like the puppet is real, and to be able to be there and to talk to the audience and to your puppet, and not to have to hide like most puppeteers, you know, to make it look real, to actually be there and still make it look real because of ventriloquism. I felt that was thrilling. And also it played into my obsession with the line between reality and delusion, with exploring the line between what's real and what's not real. I was always very fascinated by that. And as I would even say, obsessed with what is the meaning of life. I've always been obsessed with that. And what is real and what's not real, and what levels of reality might there be that we don't know or understand. And, you know, so the absurdity too. I had a deep sense of the absurdity of the human condition, and what better way to manifest that while I express my feelings and play with that than ventriloquism. Because, you know, what an absurdity to bring a wooden figure, or not always wooden, but traditionally it's wooden, right, to life, and make people wonder, is it real or not? You know, so that kind of thing.